Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset network preferences on Samsung Galaxy A26. To do it, you need to go to the settings first. Then scroll down to the general management. Now find reset. Then scroll down and you can find reset mobile network settings or reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So reset the ones that you want. Now click on reset settings. Enter your screen lock, click on reset, and now you can see my network settings have been reset. I can also do the same for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. But remember, if you do it for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, for example, then it'll erase all the connected Bluetooth devices, it'll unpair them and forget all the Wi-Fi networks, so you'll need to reconnect. But if you have any issues, then it should help you with it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.